Light under microwave will not turn off, light blue after only 6 months. Replaced bulb will not turn off.
What's the microwave's make and model? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
6 months KitchenAid model KMH120S5.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends on what it is, and it should be covered.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Got it at Home Depot.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be helping you. Sorry you are having trouble with your microwave. Please give me a moment to review your question. Please note that it sometimes takes a while to type responses and answers. I'm sure this is an annoying issue. The board that controls the light has a triac part on it that shorts out. Whirlpool does not sell that part separately and only sells the board. The part number for the board is W11182110. You have to take the top grill off of the microwave to expose the screw that holds on the control panel. Remove that screw, then push the control panel up. The board unscrews and disconnects from that panel. If it isn't something that you are comfortable doing yourself, you can call a local service company, or if you don't know one, you can always call Whirlpool directly. Always unplug the microwave for 3 hours before taking it apart to discharge the high voltage capacitor. Be careful when working on microwaves. Since we are on the honor system, Just Answer will only credit me for my time if you rate me positively. By giving me a rating of 4 or 5 stars at the top right of your screen, I will provide free follow-up questions for this appliance after this session. I am not always online, but answer questions as soon as I see them. So if you don't get an answer right away, don't worry, I log on daily to respond to questions. Thank you. Since the unit is only 6 months old, you can also call Whirlpool at ###. They should fix it under warranty for you. Give them the model and serial number.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.